Let's evaluate this series for its interval and radius of convergence. So the sine to the k, remember what that means. That really means sine of 3 over 5k all raised to the k. That's what sine squared means, the sine of x quantity squared. Same thing happens here. Since I have this to the k and this to the k, I really could write that as sine of 3 over 5k times x all raised to the k. And if I write it like that, since I have everything raised to a single power k, that's when I would like to use the root test. If I have everything to a power k, then the root test means look at the stuff that does not have the exponent. The absolute value of ak to the 1 over k will be the terms without the exponent, since the 1 over k will cancel with the k. And that is just sine of 3 over 5k times x in absolute value. What happens as k goes to infinity? That's what we're looking at. So we're looking at the limit as k goes to infinity. I'm going to think about that as absolute value of x. Well, and we need the absolute value for all parts here because sine may be positive or negative as well. So sine 3 over 5k. Well, as k goes to infinity, this denominator goes to 0. Sine of 0 is 0. So this is absolute value of x times 0, which is 0. So the limit is 0. We have to be careful. What does that mean? That means that, since the limit is 0, remember for the root test, if that limit is less than 1, it converges. That means that no matter what I plug in for x, since the limit is 0, this series will converge. It converges for all values of x. No matter what x I plug in, this will converge. So the radius of convergence is infinity. That means it converges everywhere. And the interval of convergence is negative infinity to positive infinity.